Hello everyone, welcome to One Innovation India. In this video, I'm going to talk about Cross Helmet, which is the smart motorcycle helmet. The Cross Helmet is a next generation motorcycle helmet with sound control and 360-degree visibility that will transform your riding experience. The Cross Helmet features integrated heads-up display with 360-degree range of vision, sound management, and Bluetooth features to riders. Features include heads-up display, rear view camera, safety light, touch operation, sound control, group talk, music playback, and ride data. The Cross Helmet's bifocal display projects a crisp and clear image in even the worst lighting conditions. Essential information such as directions, weather, and time to reach destination are overlaid for easy access on helmets so that rider can have eyes on the road. Feature like cross sound control is designed to both enhance and reduce environmental sounds adjustable to riders' need. Using this feature on Cross Helmet app, riders can safely dampen road, engine, and wind noises to help reduce rider fatigue and prevent hearing damage. Blind spots can be eliminated with Cross Helmet's wide-angle rear camera. With the images projected on the heads-up display, the Cross Helmet empowers riders with 360-degree vision in a glance. For more details, please check the link in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and enjoy new innovations. Thank you and see you again.